In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank account in Stripe. We'll walk through this step by step so that your payouts go to the correct bank account without any confusion. Before we start, make sure you're already logged into your Stripe account in a web browser and that you have your new bank details ready, such as your account number and routing or sort code depending on your country. First, go to your Stripe home dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in, where you can view your balance, recent payments, and key metrics. If you're not there already, you can usually get back to it by clicking on the Stripe logo or the Home option in the side menu. It's helpful to confirm that you're in the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage multiple businesses. You can check this at the top of the page where your business name is displayed. Next, look for the small gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon takes you to your account settings, where you can control how your Stripe account behaves behind the scenes. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. It may take a moment to load, but once it does, you'll see a range of different settings grouped into sections. From here, you want to find and click on the tab labeled Business. This section holds the core information about your company or individual account, including details used for payouts and verification. Clicking on the Business tab will update the main panel with options specifically related to your business settings. Within the business area, look for the tab or option called Bank Accounts and Currencies. Click on that. This is where Stripe lists all bank accounts you've connected for payouts, along with the currencies they use. Take a second to review what's listed so you're sure you're changing the correct account, especially if you have more than one. Now, locate your current payout bank account in the list. To the right of that account, you'll see three small dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. If you've already added your account, you should see an option to edit it. This is where you can change the existing bank details or add another bank account depending on what you need. Follow the on-screen prompts to update the information. Double-check your entries for accuracy, and then save your changes so Stripe can route your future payouts to the correct bank.